All right, I'm just looking through Winter Wonderland, and there's a couple things worth pointing out. This one is slightly more relaxed than the Most Wonderful Time of the Year. We have a couple measures where the chords carry through, like at the beginning of verse 1. Sleigh bells ring, are you listening? In the lane, snow is glistening. And then the second line, it moves pretty fast. A beautiful sight. So that's A7 to E minor, A to A7, B minor, A, D. I would practice that line separately quite a bit. Just get used to that movement. Get real quick on that execution, that you can kind of pull that out without looking too much. So that happens twice, nothing too much there. The bridge is where we really need to focus with this one. So you got this F sharp chord, which all we're doing is we're taking our G chord and we're moving it all down 1/2 step so that it becomes F sharp. But here's the problem. If you accidentally play this G on top, this is the sound you get. And that's not a sound we want. What you're hearing are these two notes clashing. So in order to avoid that, I make sure that my first finger, which is here on the 3rd string, 1st fret, is also touching the side of the 4th string, and that's going to mute it. You could also do the same with your thumb if you want to do that. Whatever it takes, but you just want to make sure that you do not let that string ring. If you're just trying to miss it, there's a good chance you'll accidentally hit it. So make sure that that string is covered, is blocked, so that it's not going to make any sound. That's our F sharp. And then our B chord, there's a little mini bar on the top. You guys should be able to handle that. Just 4, 3, 2, 2. So that's your little riff for in the meadow we can build a snowman and pretend that he's Parson Brown. That's how that works. Then you get the same pattern, but now with A and D. He'll say, are you married? We'll say, no, man. But you can do the job when you're in town. I would love to have those hits go together on, but you can do the job. But you can do the job when you're in town. Later on. Let's see. And then that's it. I mean, there's no changes to the song, so it just repeats those parts. So you got the first line of the verse, which is relaxed. Second line of the verse is going to take some getting used to, but there's nothing challenging there. It's really that first part of the bridge and the last part of the bridge. I would say the whole bridge is where the main focus is. So one more time, that's F sharp to B, F sharp to B, F sharp to B, F sharp to B, then A to D, and A to D, A7, E7, D. That's not right. A7, E7, A, A7. So that would be great there. Oh, and then the other thing too, especially on that bridge, what you're hearing me do is I'm strumming just on quarter notes, ta, 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 but each time I strum, I hit, and then I take the pressure off my finger. Just loosen up like this. And so you're going to get this sound of. So if you can throw that in, bum, 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 that's going to give it a little bit more bounce just by relaxing your fingers so the sound stops. If I didn't do it, it would sound, which isn't a bad sound at all. But when you add that finger lift, I'm not lifting it off the strings, I'm just loosening my grip so it mutes. That makes sense there? Alright, so stick around for play along.